This just pulls out from underneath my workbench, and it's the reason that I'm keeping my chisel sharp now instead of putting it off like I used to. For a long time now, my powered sharpener, the Veritas Mark II, which is a great machine, lived up on a shelf. And every time I wanted to sharpen my chisels, I had to haul it down, take the cover off, set it all up, plug it in, turn it on, and finally get to sharpening. And then when I was done, I had to reverse the whole process and put it right back. In a shop this size, there's just nowhere to leave it out all the time. So sharpening stopped being this thing that I did all the time and turned into another job that I had to schedule around. So I started asking myself the question, how do you keep a powered sharpener ready and at hand when you don't have the bench space to keep it out all the time? This is what I came up with.
The fix I kept coming back to was stupidly simple. If the sharpener was just there, ready to grab, I'd actually keep up with my sharpening. The catch was the same one as always. There's no room to leave it set up, and my bench is the only real work surface that I've got. So it had to be two things at once, ready to go and completely out of the way. A slide-out shelf under the bench gave me both. A shallow shelf on heavy-duty slides. Pull it out to sharpen, push it back, and it's gone. The slides are doing the real work, so I went heavy. Full extension, locking slides, rated for about 250 pounds. Massive overkill for a sharpener, but that was on purpose. This thing vibrates when it's running, and I didn't want a shelf that flexes or rattles while I'm trying to hold an edge to the wheel. The lock earns its keep too. Open, the shelf stays put while I sharpen. Closed, it can't drift out and catch my knee when I walk past. The box that holds it all is about as basic as a box gets. 3/4 inch plywood, pocket hole screws, screwed straight up into the underside of my bench top. Nothing fancy, but it's plenty solid for what it's doing. Then there's power. If I had to plug it in every time, I'd be right back where I started. So the cord stays connected with enough slack to ride the full travel of the slide and fold out of the way as it closes. Connected and ready all the time. The Mark II has no mounting holes, so there's no bolting it down. Instead of fighting that, I brad nailed a few blocks around the base to lock it in place. It can't wander around while it's running, and it doesn't shift when I yank the shelf out. And it drops back between those same blocks every time, which keeps it lined up the same way. So here's the same chisel touch-up now. Same chisel, same bench. I reach down, pull the shelf out until it locks, and flip the switch. It's running, platter on, plugged in, the tool guide's still set up where I left it. I drop the chisel in and touch up the edge, the same 90 seconds of actual sharpening I always had. Then I flip it off, push the shelf back in, and it's gone. The bench is completely clear.
Okay, that's the build. Every single one of those decisions was about turning sharpening from something I should do to something that I actually do regularly. If you're interested in watching more shop builds, check out this video over here where I dramatically improve my drill press. Thanks for watching.